In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, welcome my dear third secondary school students. I'm Mr. Muhammad Mustafa, and today we will continue our lessons on Mega Goal 5 Unit 3, the last lesson of the unit. Here, form, meaning and function, simple present tense and past, simple past. Okay. In questions, simple present tense, yes or no question. Do you use the internet? Yes, they do, or no, they don't. That's the short answer. Does she have a laptop? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Simple present of the verb be and information questions. Information questions, the answer. What is your last name? It is Al Zahrani. How it's going? Fine, thanks. When is the festival? It's in February. Where is your friend from? He is from Jeddah. Who is that tall man? That's my uncle. Why is he here? He is here for the festival. What means ما وماذا? How? كيف? When? متى? Where? أين? Who? من? فاعل عاقل. Why? لماذا? Okay. Here we talk about verb be. Verb be in the present am, is, are, and in the past was or were. Here the simple past of the verb be. In present am, was, or are, and in the past the be, was or were. Here where were you born? I was born in Oman. Where was he or she born? He or she was born in Kuwait. Simple past with regular and irregular verbs. Yes or no questions. Did. In the past we use did, and in the present we use do with the plural and does with the singular. Okay. Did he or she or it or they or live in Riyadh? Like yes they did, or no they didn't. Information questions. Where did you live? I lived in Riyadh. Where did you live? Did followed by the infinitive, okay, or verb 1. In the answer we use the past simple of the verb. I lived in Riyadh. What did you what did you or he wear? He wore formal clothing. Here is some irregular past forms. Be, been, buy, bought, come, came, do, did, drive, drove, eat, at, feel, felt, fly, flew, go, went, give, gave, have, had, know, knew, make, made, meet, met, ride, rode, see, saw, spend, spent, swim, swam, take, took, win, won. Okay. There is also another and more irregular verbs, and this is the second only. Every verb in English have 3. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. But today in the simple past we have the first and the second only. Now we will move to another exercise. Interview a classmate. Ask for this personal information: name, spelling of first and last name, age, date of birth, nationality, address, telephone number, email address, occupation. The first question: what's your name? What is your name? The second: how do you spell your first and last name? How do you spell? Number 3: how old are you? Talk about the age. How old are you? Okay. Well, I am 16, I'm 17, anything. Number 4: when were you born? Date of birth. When were you born? Number 5: where were you born? Where were you born? Number 6: where are you from? Where are you from? Number 7, what's your telephone number? Number 8, what's your email address? Number 9, what's your job? If you answer these questions, you can make a small brief about yourself. If you want to talk about yourself, answer these 9 questions only. Your name, you spell your first and last name, your age, when were you born, where were you born, where are you from, telephone number, email address, and your job. Okay, now we will move to page 45, words connected with space and the planetary system, part 1. Some words we associate with the space and the planetary system are technology, technologia, space station, محطة الفضاء, spacecraft, مركبة الفضاء, robot, car, robot, car, سيارات آلية, astronauts, رواد الفضاء, gas, الغاز, gravity, الجاذبية, stars, النجوم, meteors, meteors, النيازك, eclipse, كسوف, solar system, النظام الشمسي, the moon, القمر, the sun, الشمس, earth, الكرة الأرضية, the planets, الكواكب, rocks, الصخور, volcanoes, البراكين, poisonous air, هواء سام, high mountains, جبال عالية, atmosphere, الغلاف الجوي, orbit, يدور, launch, يطلق, land, الأرض, take photos, يلتقط صور, build, يبني. Here are some examples. Our planet Earth is a lump of rock in space. Planet Earth. Each planet orbits the sun on its own invisible path. The sun was formed by a thick clouds of dust and gas. The moon is the only place in space where people have landed. An eclipse is when the moon moves in front of the sun for a short time. The sky gets darker and the temperature drops. Here is an exercise. Complete these facts about space with an appropriate word. Use the vocabulary words above. Okay, these words. The sun is at the center of our is one planet in a group of 8 planets. Scientists now consider Pluto to be dwarf planet. Okay, يبقى solar system, نظام الشمسي, Earth, الكرة الأرضية, is one planet of a group 8 planets. Number 2, the sun is because it's very close to Earth, is a star. The sun is a star. Sometimes crashes into the moon and makes a crater or giant hole in the surface. Meteor, نيزك. In the future, scientists want to build hotels on the moon so people can go there on a vacation. Here we have finished our lesson, or the last lesson of unit 3, and thank you.